Hey guys, it's me from the channel. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our surprise tours in the Color Caster Buckets series. I'm super excited because we've got a bunch of new buckets for you guys to open up. And who knows what kind of treasures we're going to find inside. We've got some blue, yellow, green, and even a pink bucket for you guys to open up. So let's waste no more time and jump right into this colorful adventure. And so we'll start off with the blue caster bucket. It looks like there's some nice things in here. What's this? Oh wow, this is pretty cool. You have to fill out a whole bunch of surveys to get these things. But if you're a kid that likes taking surveys, you can get yourself one of these bad boys. This is the Barbie color reveal doll. Now, the way this works is that you pull on this string and oh my gosh, this color reveals itself. So you take this, you pull it down. The thing is you have to be very careful because if you do it too fast, it might not look as good. So you just gotta make sure you do it nice and slow and then tay-da. It's gonna reveal the color. Let's see what color we got. This one actually turned out looking really good. You can see the streaks. Look at that. That is really cool. And she looks like she's wearing a dress made out of those Rainbow Smarties candies. How fun is that? Next up, we've got this cute little doggy. This is the Fur Real Friends mama dog, and look at her eyes. They're brown. It says on the box you can feed her, bathe her, and rock her to sleep. But it also says on the side here that she drinks water and waits. Oh my goodness. So you're telling me this doll actually pees? Yep, right there on the side of the box. If you flip her over, she waits, and if you pour water in her mouth, she will drink it and she pees. So watch this. I'm gonna pour some water in her mouth and watch what happens. Does she pee? Yes, she does. She pees on the floor. There we go, she peed. And if you want to stop the flow, all you need to do is press that button right there and then the pee stops. Isn't that cool? Next up, we have something really exciting. Something that makes your hair stand on end. A spooky surprise. This is the Monster High Create a Monster playset. Looks like there's a lot of stuff in here. There's like hair gel. Why is it green? Like what the heck? Oh, this must be the hair gel for making the monster's hair. Okay, what about this? What's this? Oh, these are the monster teeth. These are some nice sharp looking teeth. Just in case you don't already have enough, you can add these to your mouth. Then we have a bunch of different makeup things. We've got this makeup palette which has some really nice dark colors. Got some nice black eyeshadow. This is definitely not for everyday wear. This is for going out at night, going out clubbing, going out scaring people. I think this is for special occasions. Then we've got this little bag here. Oh, this is a net bag. We've got some claws. These are some nice scary claws. And look at this. Look at that. That is one big scary fingernail. Next up, we've got the yellow caster bucket. And I know what you're thinking, that bucket doesn't look colored. It looks like it's transparent. Well, this is actually a transparent bucket. And when you put the light through it, that's when you'll be able to see the color. So let's grab our UV light and shine it through the bucket and see what color it is. Whoa, so the bucket itself is actually yellow. I couldn't tell because there was all these other things in here, but now we know the bucket color. That is yellow. So let's check out what's inside. Is this a spider? Oh my god. This is the spider, my first Nendoroid. It's a small little guy. He's only 7 centimeters tall. And he actually moves around as well. This is the bendable spider. I think it's so cool how they designed this spider to bend and move around like that. Next up, we have this cute little pig. It says on the box here that this pig has movable arms and legs. Let's check that out. So you have the front legs, you have the back legs. And yep, the front legs do move. They go in and out like that, and the back legs, they kick up like that. And even though it says it has movable arms and legs, I think it should say tail instead of arms. Because look, this thing has no arms. It just has its little stumpers and its tail. Next up, we've got a cool little remote control car. It's a stunt monster truck. We've got the remote. You can see it's got 4 wheels. I mean, technically 3 wheels because that last one's a propeller. This is supposed to be some sort of monster truck that flies through the air. This is awesome. Let's test it out. Oh, there we go. It's moving. It's going backwards. Whoa, it's driving forward. That was crazy. And next up, we have this cute little puppy. It's part of the Hatchimals surprise line. I don't know why they had to make the name so complicated, but this is a cute little toy. So the way this works is that you pull in the nose and then it hatches. So let's give it a try. Pull on the nose, give it a little wiggle, and then tap on the head. I love how they incorporated the tapping into this. That's a nice little touch, and ta-da! That is one adorable little baby animal. Next up, we have the green caster bucket, and inside this bucket, we have the super sand. It's kinetic sand. It's magnetic and it never dries out. It's great for kids who love playing with sand, but also great for parents who don't want their kids playing with actual sand, because it gets everywhere and it is a pain to clean up. This is great for those parents because this is a much better alternative. We also have the mold to make shapes with the sand, and look at this. That is one perfectly round ball of sand. I'm impressed with how perfect that came out. We also have this Spider-Man figurine. It's about 5 inches tall. He's hanging upside down in the packaging, which is always the preferred method of transportation for spiders. And last but not least, we have this Lego set. It's one of the smaller ones, so it's probably not going to take too long to build. This is the LEGO Juniors Cars, Lightning, and Crew set. Next up, we have the pink caster bucket. And I know what you're thinking. Pink is not a color. That bucket's transparent. Yeah, you're right, the bucket's transparent. So let's put the light through and see what color it really is. Oh my god, I didn't realize it was that color. The bucket is actually light pink. And then when you put the light through it, it shines bright white. It's almost clear. That's really cool. Alright, let's see what's inside. We have this cute little kitty. This is the Dream LOL Surprise Winter Chill Kitty doll. It's part of the Winter Chill collection. And look at the details on this thing. Look at her eyes. She's wearing a cute little winter coat. And look at her feet. She's wearing little boots. That is adorable. Next up, we have this Funchal mermaid. And look at her hair. She's got this mermaid hair going on. She's got this sparkly purple top. She's got a purse or a little bag hanging off her shoulder. She's got shoes on. This thing is ready to party. We also have this baby boy. This is the newborn real as can be baby doll. It's so detailed. Look at his little mouth. His eyes are closed. He's got little fingers, he's got toes, and look at this belly. This thing is so realistic. This is crazy. Last but not least, we have this Elf on the Shelf. This is the Elf on the Shelf Superfan Edition. It comes with a little outfit, so you can dress your elf up like this. And look at the details on this thing. It's got little pockets, it's got this cute little hat, it's got gloves. Look at that. This is so detailed. I can't believe they put so much detail into an elf, but here it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time.